Hello everyone, welcome to About Truckers. In this video we have this confused truck driver switching left lanes and then decides to get back in the right lane. We need to be more cautious on making these choices and keep everybody safe on the road. In this video I capture a box truck with open doors. If you look in the right side of the screen, that's when the truck enters the ramp and it appears that there's a guy sitting inside that box truck, no seatbelt, nothing to secure his safety. Here is another example, guys, that we need to take serious when it comes to keep everyone safe on the road. In the third clip is when a road rage driver just started changing lanes left to right, putting everyone in danger. As you can see in the video, he aggressively going at high speed. You never know, someone could get hurt for his behavior. Drive safe, like and subscribe, and I see you on the next one.